Hello everyone, I'm Rocky and I'm back with the another question of chapter number 1, some basic concepts of chemistry. In this video, I'll be discussing question number 34 and it's page number 25. So just have a look on the question. Question is, a welding fuel gas contains carbon and hydrogen only. Burning a small sample of it in oxygen gives 3.38 carbon dioxide, 0.690 grams of water and no other products. A volume of 10 liters, which is measured at STP, that means standard temperature and pressure, of this welding gas is found to weigh 11.6 grams. Calculate number 1 empirical formula, number 2 molar mass of the gas, and number 3 molecular formula. So from these given conditions, we need to calculate out our three things: empirical formula, molecular mass of the gas, and molecular formula. So let's begin with the solution of this question. Fine. Okay. First of all, I'll be calculating the amount of carbon present in 3.38 grams of carbon dioxide and amount of hydrogen present in 0.690 grams of water. So, amount of what? Carbon. Amount of carbon present in 3.38 grams of CO2 is equals to 12 divided by 44 into 3.38, which becomes equals to 0.9218. 9218 grams. Okay, now amount of hydrogen present in 0.690 grams of H2O, matlab water, is equals to 2 by 80 multiplied by 0.690, which becomes equals to 0.0767 grams. ठीक है, यहाँ तक clear हो गया? Now, as we know that as the compound contains only carbon and hydrogen, therefore the total mass of the gas equals to 0.9218 grams plus 0.0767 grams, which becomes equals to 0.9985 grams. I hope it is very much clear to you all. ठीक है ना? 0.9985 grams is the total mass of the gas. Moving on further, now we'll calculate the percentage of carbon. What is the percentage of carbon in the gas? Percentage of the carbon in the gas is equals to 0.9218 divided by the total mass of the gas, 0.9985 into 100, which becomes equals to 92.32 grams. ठीक है, 92.32 ग्राम नहीं 92.32% आ जाएगा इसका. ओके, a percentage of hydrogen in the gas is equals to what? 0.0767 divided by 0.9985 into 100, which becomes equals to 7.68%. ठीक है, I hope it is clear to you all. कि हमने मैंने क्या कैलकुलेट किया? अमाउंट ऑफ कार्बन विच इज प्रेजेंट इन 3.28 grams of carbon dioxide, अमाउंट ऑफ हाइड्रोजन दैट इज प्रेजेंट इन 0.690 grams of water. तो क्या आया? 0.9218 grams of the carbon is present and 0.0767 grams of the hydrogen is present. Now हमें पता है कि जो हमारी गैस है उसमें सिर्फ कार्बन और हाइड्रोजन है, So we'll be adding the masses of carbon and hydrogen only, which becomes is equals to 0.9985 grams. Now we have calculated the percentage of the carbon in the gas and percentage of the hydrogen in the gas, which is 92.32% and 7.6% of carbon and hydrogen. Fine. Now what we need to calculate is हमने एक बार ये basic पता कर लिया, अब हमें calculate करना है empirical formula, molar mass of the gas and molecular formula. अच्छा, empirical formula को write करने से पहले I just want to request you all, please note down these all the things so that I can now start with the empirical formula solution. Fine. We need to remember on these two things, 92.32% and 7.68% for calculating out the empirical formula. So I am writing it over here. Percentage of the carbon is equals to 92.32% and percentage of the hydrogen is equals to 7.68%. Fine. Now please note down all these things in your notebooks. I am going to rub all these things and we'll start with the empirical formula. Fine. So I am rubbing all them. ठीक है. Now I will solve the empirical formula. We'll make the table as we did in our previous questions when we were calculating out the empirical formula. First of all, element, ठीक है, then percentage by mass, then atomic number, atomic mass के बाद में moles of the element, हमें कैलकुलेट करने हैं. ओके, then simplest molar ratio. Okay, now then simplest whole number molar रेशियो. ठीक है, हमने टेबल बना ली. एलिमेंट हमारे पास है कार्बन और हाइड्रोजन. परसेंटेज बाय मास मैंने कैलकुलेट किया था पहले, अभी थोड़ी देर पहले. इट वाज 92.32% फॉर द कार्बन एंड 7.68% फॉर द हाइड्रोजन. एटॉमिक मास ऑफ द कार्बन इज 12, एटॉमिक मास ऑफ द हाइड्रोजन क्या होता है? एटॉमिक मास ऑफ द हाइड्रोजन it's 1. ठीक है, मोल्स ऑफ द एलिमेंट निकालने हैं. सो 92.32 डिवाइडेड बाय 12 which becomes equals to 7.69 and 7.68 divided by 1 which becomes is equals to 7.68 only. Simplest molar ratio भी इसमें 1 है, इसमें भी 1 है. And simplest whole number molar ratio is also 1. ठीक है, so the empirical formula जो बना है हमारा, empirical formula क्या बना है हमारा? empirical formula is C&H. ठीक है, ये है हमारा empirical formula. अब हमें ये बताया हुआ है कि the volume of 10 liter which is measured at STP of the welding gas is found to weigh 11.6 grams. Now we know that 10 liter of the gas, 10.0 liter of gas at STP weighs equal to how many grams? 11.6 grams. ठीक है. Now 22.4 liter of gas at STP will weigh equals to 11.6 divided by 10.0 into 22.4 which becomes equals to 25.984 grams which we can say as 26 grams. ठीक है, so as a whole I can say कि जो molar mass है, molar mass of gas is equals to 26 grams per mole है. ठीक है। मेरे को पता चल गया 22.4 लीटर ऑफ द गैस एसटीपी जो ब्रेक करती है वो करती है 26 ग्राम्स में। तो मोलर मास क्या हो जाएगा ऑफ द गैस 26 ग्राम्स पर मोल। सो आई हैव कैलकुलेटेड आउट द एम्पिरिकल फॉर्मूला व्हिच इज CH. I have calculated out the molar mass of the gas which is 26 grams per mole. Now comes the turn of molecular formula. I hope आपने ये सारी calculations लिख ली होंगी. So I need to move further by removing all them. So I just want to request you note down them fastly ताकि मैं इसे रफ कर सकूं और molecular formula calculate कर सकूं. ठीक है. So I am rubbing it. I hope आपने सभी ने सबको लिख लिया होगा. नहीं? So let's move further. तो मैं साइड में लिख रही हूँ कि हमारा जो एम्पेरिकल फॉर्मूला है वो है CH और जो हमारा मोलर मास आया है वो कितना आया मोलर मास, हमारा मोलर मास आया है 26 ग्राम्स पर मोल। ठीक है, ये हमारा मोलर मास हमने कैलकुलेट कर दिया है। स्टार्ट करते हैं हम। एम्पेरिकल फॉर्मूला है CH, क्या है एम्पेरिकल फॉर्मूला CH। तो एम्पेरिकल फॉर्मूला मास क्या हो जाएगा 12 + 1 = 13। ठीक है, 13 ग्राम पर मोल हो जाएगा। अब हमें n कैलकुलेट करते हैं हम n। तो n क्या है, व्हाट मोलर मास डिवाइडेड बाय में एम्पेरिकल फॉर्मूला मास। ठीक है, तो n = मोलर मास अपॉन में एम्पेरिकल फॉर्मूला मास। मोलर मास क्या है 26 and it is gram per mole and empirical formula is also 13 grams per mole, so it becomes is equals to 2। तो n क्या आ गया हमारा 2 आ गया। so molecular formula is equals to 2 within bracket CH, which as a whole becomes C2H2, hence the molecular formula is C2H2। So, empirical formula is CH, molar mass of the gas is 26 grams per mole and molecular formula is C2H2। I hope these three parts of this question is clear to you all. If there is any problem regarding the solution of this question and if you feel any doubt regarding it, then let me know your doubts in the space given below. Well, this brings me to the end of the session and it's me Raki saying you all goodbye.